Hey guys, Claire, Maryland Real Estate Lady at MarylandRealEstateLady.com. If you want to get in touch with me, Claire at Maryland Real Estate Lady. Today we're checking out this very cute house in Edgewater. Come on along, and don't forget, if you're enjoying this content or really are getting a lot out of it, to like and subscribe. Right. So, since you guys know I'm a huge animal person, I love this. My dog would be so overstimulated by all the action going on, but at least I could rest assured she would not be leaving the premises. All right, let's get a first look. I love this part. Oh, very cute. Ooh, lucky. So the first thing I notice is this cool floor. I love that. It's just so sleek and shiny. Oh, let's check it out. Ooh, so we got a little living room. Love it. I gotta say, I love Edgewater. I grew up near here, and I just find it's a really great place, especially for young families. It's kind of got everything you need, but without the crazy Annapolis price tag. But it's only 10 minutes from Annapolis, so I lived about 20 minutes from Annapolis in Harwood. That's part of where I grew up from when I was 16. And, you know, it was really nice being in a space that was just not as busy as being in Annapolis, but you could still walk places. Like the walkability score here is really nice because there's shops, there's restaurants. Edgewater has definitely started becoming a very popular place to be. Oh, this is a cute little bathroom. You got your full bath. I love it. What's up? Hey. I feel like I do that on every video. It's gotta get kind of annoying, but I'm still entertained. It's a nice big bedroom or office. Whatever you like. Got a nice closet here. So, double check me on this one, and I will. But I believe South River is your school, which, guess what? I went there. So I can tell you, it's a pretty solid school. Good place to be, not a bad place to grow up if you have kids. Ooh, I really like this, but there's no tub. And I know some people don't prefer that, but this is just easier for someone like me. Because I don't really take baths, so for me, that's just about perfect. All right, let's check out this closet. Okay, so you got some good space in here. And the nice thing about Edgewater, if you are into boating, it's a great spot for that. I know a lot of my friends had boats, and I spent a fair amount of time on the South River. Let's talk about this kitchen. First, let's drop my glasses and turn on some lights. What's in here? Yeah, there we go. What does this button do? Stop it, Claire. Updated appliances. Nice, spacious cabinets. Ooh, and drawers. Yes, please. I could explain to you why I like drawers, but I feel like it's very self-explanatory. And a fully fenced in backyard. Oh my God, drool. Oh, and a cute little area for sitting. I love it. Actually, I'm kind of in love with this backyard. I didn't realize it was going to be quite as lovable as it is. Well, get out of my way because I'm buying this house. Oh, nice big privacy fence. Oh, I love this. So the other house that we saw today also has a privacy fence, and I will just put it into the universe that that's one of my favorite things that a house can offer right now. And it has nothing to do with neighbors. It is purely because it gives me peace of mind for my child and my dog. Now this screams hot tub. Just kidding, you don't have to put a hot tub in, but you could build out a little roof area or just grab like a portable roof. Have a really nice spot to just sit. Got a shed. Let's see if we can open it. Yeah. Oh, sizable too. The sad little millennial in me is like, tiny house? But you know what? Never say never. But I love this. Some nice storage. So I'm very impressed with this little house. Let's take one more look in the living room. And we'll come over here. So I said living room, but I meant dining room. Because I really love this. So I could see having a little family and just having my kids kind of coming and going. And there we have it. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what other neighborhoods, what other properties, what kind of houses that you'd like to see, and I'll go check them out. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.